Mistplay says rewards can take up to 48 hours to process after you redeem them, so getting paid is not necessarily instant, even when you have enough units. By the end you'll know how long Mistplay rewards normally take, what the pending and approved statuses mean, and what to do if your reward still has not arrived. First, you need enough units to redeem the reward you want. Open Mistplay, go to the shop, select your reward, and confirm the email address where you want the reward delivered. After the order is submitted, Mistplay says you can track it through the My Rewards section. The first status you may see is pending. Pending means Mistplay is still processing the order. According to Mistplay's current support information, this processing period can take up to 48 hours. Mistplay Support 1. Once the reward is approved, you can claim it using the instructions shown in the app. For gift cards, Mistplay says the reward is also sent to your confirmed email address. You can check My Rewards if you want to see whether the order is still pending or has already been approved. Mistplay Support 1. PayPal has a similar time frame. Mistplay currently says that when you redeem a PayPal reward, funds should be deposited within 48 hours if there is an active PayPal account associated with the email address used for the reward. Mistplay Support If there is no active PayPal account connected to that email, Mistplay says you should receive an email with instructions for claiming the reward. There is one extra detail with PayPal that you should not ignore. Mistplay says that if the reward is not claimed within 30 days of the date it was processed, the reward will be returned and the units can be manually refunded. Mistplay Support For regular gift cards, check the exact reward details before confirming your order. Mistplay says rewards are issued by its gift card providers, and reward availability can vary by currency and region. Some gift cards can also temporarily disappear from the shop. Mistplay Support If your reward remains pending beyond the stated processing period, open Mistplay and check Shop, then My Rewards. If it has been approved, but you cannot claim the reward, follow the instructions attached to that specific reward. Mistplay says brand-specific problems may need to be handled by the reward provider. Mistplay Support Also make sure you entered the correct email before redeeming. Mistplay says reward redemptions cannot be cancelled or exchanged after they are placed. Mistplay Support So the simple answer is, Mistplay says reward processing can take up to 48 hours. Your next step is to open My Rewards and check whether your order is pending or approved before contacting support. If this answered how long Mistplay takes to pay, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay guides.